As Pi Network approaches its Open Mainnet launch in 2024, anticipation is building that major exchanges, including Binance, might list PiCoin. This move would mark a significant milestone, potentially bringing about major changes for the entire Pi Network ecosystem. Why is listing on Binance important? A listing on Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, would provide greater liquidity and broaden the reach of PiCoin to global markets. With millions of active users worldwide, Binance has a significant influence on the success and adoption of new cryptocurrencies. This listing would open up opportunities for more people to buy, sell, and trade PiCoin, increasing the visibility and legitimacy of Pi Network in the eyes of investors and other crypto enthusiasts. What would you do if PiCoin is listed on Binance at $37? Many pioneers might see this as an opportunity to increase their investment in PiCoin, given its long-term growth potential. At an initial price of $37, PiCoin might be viewed as undervalued by many investors who believe in Pi Network's long-term vision. If you believe in Pi Network's vision of creating an inclusive and efficient decentralized economy, adding to your investment at the time of listing could be a strategic move. The initial price of PiCoin may only be the beginning. With broader adoption and ecosystem development, PiCoin's value could significantly increase. Hello pioneers, you are welcome to Crypto World Educate. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly do us a favor by hitting the subscribe and like buttons. This assists us in reaching other pioneers around the world. Let's continue. Adding PiCoin to your crypto portfolio can be a way to diversify and capitalize on opportunities across different markets. Take profits to secure gains. Some pioneers might choose to sell a portion of their PiCoin to secure profits, especially if they have been mining Pi from the early days. This is a common investment strategy to ensure that some profits are locked in. There is bound to be market fluctuation during listing. Pay attention to price fluctuations after the listing. If the price experiences a significant surge, it might be the right time to sell some assets and secure gains. Aligning your financial decision with your personal financial goals. If you need funds for urgent needs, selling some PiCoins could be a wise choice. Use technical analysis to identify optimal entry and exit points. This can help you maximize profits and minimize risks. For those unfamiliar with PiCoin, the listing on Binance could be a moment to learn more about the technology and community behind Pi Network. And understanding the fundamentals of the project, the development team, and the future roadmap is crucial before making any investment decisions. Study the Pi Network's white paper and roadmap to understand its vision, mission, and long-term plans. Learn more about the team behind Pi Network, including their backgrounds and experiences. Listing PiCoin on major exchanges like Binance would mark a significant milestone, providing greater liquidity and opportunities for pioneers. Here are some key impacts that can be expected. With a listing on Binance, the liquidity of PiCoin will increase significantly. This means more active buyers and sellers in the market, making trading PiCoin easier and more efficient. A listing on a major exchange will increase the visibility of PiCoin and attract more new users. This could drive broader adoption and strengthen Pi Network's position in the crypto market. Being listed on Binance can be seen as a validation of the Pi Network project, indicating that it has reached a high level of credibility and trust within the crypto community. With more people interested in investing in PiCoin, the price and market value of Pi Network could rise. This opens up new investment opportunities for both old and new users. The Pi Network community is eagerly watching these developments, and your input can help shape the collective understanding and strategy of Pi. As part of this community, your role is crucial in supporting the growth and success of Pi Network. Pi has surpassed 12 million pioneers who have completed identity verification through its native Know Your Customer KYC solution, Pi KYC, with over 5.79 million people migrated to the mainnet. Additionally, there are 70 real Pi apps either operational on mainnet or ready for deployment, enhancing utility within the Pi ecosystem. Since Pi last year, Pi has grown from 45 million to over 60 million engaged global users and introduced a series of major ecosystem updates. These include Fireside Forum, a Web3 social media app with innovative tokenomics, Stake DMs on PiChat, integrating cryptocurrencies for meaningful connections, and PiEd Network, the platform's first realization of utility at the platform level. With the adoption of the initial value of 1 Pi 314,159, Malaysia positions itself as a leader in driving blockchain innovation in the Southeast Asian region. This move not only opens doors for more widespread use of Pi Network in daily transactions, but also for the development of broader blockchain applications in finance, logistics, and other creative sectors. It creates new opportunities for technology startups and large corporations to collaborate in creating sustainable and highly competitive solutions. The response from the Pi Network community in Malaysia has been overwhelmingly positive. Community members welcome the steps taken to increase the usage and adoption of Pi Network at the national level. With the initial value established, users and investors can strategize to capitalize on the potential growth of the Pi Network ecosystem in the future. In addition to adopting the initial Pi network value, today's event also highlights the importance of cross-sector collaboration in developing an inclusive and sustainable blockchain ecosystem. Government, academia, and the private sector are expected to actively engage in harnessing blockchain technology to enhance operational efficiency and deliver better services to the public. With the GCV consensus and universal downline ecological barter event, Malaysia reaffirms its commitment to advancing the global blockchain ecosystem. The next steps include increasing blockchain literacy among the general public, developing policies that support technological innovation, and forging strategic partnerships to support sustainable digital economic growth. Don't miss out on valuable insights and actionable tips that can potentially shape your financial future. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join our vibrant community of crypto enthusiasts. Together, let's unravel the mysteries of cryptocurrencies and uncover the untapped potential that lies within.